Hello, lovely people. You're very welcome to my channel. Oh, give me 1 second, please. So, I'm back. So, you're welcome to my channel. Like I said before, this is Maxine's Tips. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being loyal to me. Today, we're going to do hair mask with avocado and eggs, just like our older sisters, cousins, mom in we saw while we were growing up. So if you have any overripe avocado at home in your fridge, please don't throw them away. You can do a lot of things with them, one of which is the hair mask. If same goes for the eggs. If you have eggs that have been in your fridge for so long, please bring them out and use them for something. Don't throw them away, okay? Eggs are very rich in proteins, and avocados are rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Our hair also needs food, just like our skin needs food, our body needs food, our hair also needs food. So we need to feed them with the right nutrients, right minerals. So without talking too much, let's dive right into the video, and I hope you'll be able to learn something from this video. Thank you for coming by. So here are the ingredients for my hair mask, aka mayonnaise. I have avocado and 2 eggs. I'm going to be adding the egg yolk before adding the egg white later. I also have argan oil, and I put in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which unfortunately I did not film. Also guys, please, I want to remind us to subscribe. At this point you've not subscribed yet. Why are you doing that now? And please promote my ministry. Click on the red button to subscribe on your down right hand side, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be reminded every time I post a new video. Thank you. So I cut my avocado into 2 halves, and I'm going to be using just 1 part because I don't want to do a lot of hair mask. So I'm just using up everything that I make. I have no room to keep anything in the fridge or whatever. So after putting in my avocado, I put in my egg yolk before adding in my egg white. So keep watching, guys. Here is the end result. Look at how smooth the paste is. My mayonnaise paste or hair mask. Look at this, and I'm going to be showing you comparing it with the mayonnaise you get from the local supermarkets or African shops. I actually love using the normal hair mayonnaise, but what I had was finished, and I just thought, why can't I make my own at home and see if it's going to give the same results? So that's why I decided to make my own homemade hair mayonnaise. Yeah, so I just go ahead and apply it to my hair, pat my hair into 4 halves, apply it thoroughly. You can really see it's making a difference already. It's giving the hair the defined curls, nourishing the hair, increasing its shine. It's really beneficial to the hair. After applying, I put on my shower cap and my hair bonnet because I'm going to be sleeping overnight with this hair mask on my hair. It has to penetrate my hair, get right down to my scalp, you know how I always do it on this channel. Yes, so I'm going to sleep with it, and I'll see you the next day. So this is the next day. Look how fresh I'm looking. So I take off my hair bonnet and I take off the shower cap, and yeah, you see the mask is a little dried up. That's just the mask disappearing into my hair. So I just wash out the excess mask, and I comb it out. This is the end result, guys. I'm really happy with it because now my hair looks shiny and clean and well relaxed. I mean, really soft and resilient. So thank you for watching, and catch you in my next video. Bye.